men's and women's brain have absolutely nothing to do with each other. Okay? They in fact have different sizes. The men's brain is 10% larger than the female one, which surprisingly has nothing to do with intelligence. Okay? Yeah. Another huge difference between the men's and the women's brain is the way men and women process things. So, it is clear that men take a little bit more to process certain things when it comes to thinking. We simply cannot focus on more than one task at a time in order to accomplish it somehow. Imagine, for instance, a man watching television, and a woman comes to talk to him. And it's not that he ignores her on purpose, okay, but he cannot hear what she says because he's unable to process two things at a time. Women are totally sick of that behavior, okay, because women think of many things at the same time, and simultaneously think how to accomplish multiple tasks with incredible precision. And the worst part about this is that they expect men to do the same thing. Okay. Now, another huge difference between the men's and the women's brain is the memory. Okay. And for this part, I want to do a little experiment with our audience here. So, I want all women in this room to think the last time they had the nails done. I'm pretty sure that all of you, in less than a millisecond, have come with an answer like, oh, it was last Thursday, I went with Maria on 9 o'clock. Now, let's do the same with men. What did you eat yesterday? Honestly, I can't even answer that question myself. Okay. And this is interesting because that proves that women have found a way to actually remember everything. They take all their memories and experiences, and then they connect them. They are connected inside their brain like wires, and then they connect those events with certain emotions. Now, men from the other side are totally different because we don't mess around with emotions, okay? And because we frankly don't care about emotions. But when we come inside certain cases like this one, with caring with emotions, we tend to go on a certain part of our brain which we look up in those cases. And it's called the nothing box. Now, the nothing box, it's literally a box in our brain that has nothing in it. And whenever we are full with emotions, we go inside that box and we do nothing. And when we enter that box, we basically enter a situation when we think about nothing and at the same time breathe and exist. And women cannot understand the nothing box at all. And there's nothing more irritating for women, and it annoys them and it drives them crazy when a man is doing absolutely nothing. So thank you all for watching. You've been a wonderful audience.